Hello students, welcome to ELLIPSE Educational Academy. Today we will discuss about surface area and volume part 2. In the last class we already discussed about some diagrams here like square, rectangle, as well as in three-dimensional diagram like cube, cuboid. Now we will discuss about circle, circumference of circle, area of circle, and in three-dimensional diagrams we will discuss about cylinder, cone, as well as sphere and hemisphere. So let's start our session. Now the in two-dimensional diagram we need to discuss circle. So in the last class we already discussed two diagrams like square and rectangle. Now the third one is circle. Suppose this is one circle with the center O, radius R. Now we need to calculate the circumference of this circle, like circumference of circle, which is equal to so we know that the one revolution of the circle is 2 pi. With this r, so we will take 2 pi r is the circumference of circle. Now area of circle, we already know about area of circle. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square. So here it is, pi r square is area of circle. Now use of this information, we need to find area of cylinder and volume of cylinder. So let's see. Now in three-dimensional space, three-dimensional figures, we need to discuss the third diagram like cylinder. Cylinder means what? Nothing but one pipe. So this is one pipe with the center. This is my height h, this is our radius r, right? So now we need to calculate the total surface area of this, as well as curve surface area of this cylinder, as well as volume of cylinder. So if you see this in this diagram, there are two circles, one is above, another one is below of pipe. So here it is, we can calculate the total surface including these two circles. So that means there are two circles and we need to calculate area, therefore the area of circle is pi r square. So how many circles are there? Two. So I will take first 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square, plus again the curve surface is there. The curve surface is also there, so we need to calculate the curve surface also. So for this I just only took this circumference of below circle and give them some height. So what is the circumference here? 2 pi r, and I have to give the height of this h, so it will become curve surface. So I will take here 2 pi r h. And after finding these two, we will get the total surface area formula, like 2 pi r is here, 2 pi r is here. I'll just took the common from this. So 1 r is here plus 1 h is here. That means total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So we know that the curve surface area is here only 2 pi r h, so nothing changed, just take this 2 pi r h. Okay, so now the volume of this cylinder, volume of means the how much quantity this cylinder have. Okay, the calculation of quantity is called volume. Okay, so here it is circle and we need to fill the entire cylinder. That means we have to give the area to some height. That means pi r square h, and this is we got here volume of cylinder. Okay, so with the basis of this we need to discuss number 4, cone. Okay, so same like the cylinder we need to discuss cone also. So let's see, which is nothing but like this, or birthday cap. Okay, so this is nothing but one cone. Okay, with center and some height. H is height, this r is radius, h is height, and this slant height is L. Okay, now the for finding the slant height we need to calculate L is equal to square root of r square plus h square, r square plus h square. Okay, and after this we need to calculate the total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone. Okay, so how are you going to calculate the total surface area? That means this circle and this curve surface together we will make the total surface area of cone. Okay, so we know that the circle area is pi r square. What about the curve surface area? Okay, that means the curve will be pi r l, because the circle will goes on small. Okay, so it will become pi r l plus this one circle pi r square. Okay, so again we need to took the common from this pi r, so common pi r in bracket l plus r, and this is the total surface area of cone. Okay, now let's discuss about the curve surface area, which is nothing but the only curve which includes pi r l. Okay, pi r l. So I will take the formula for curve surface area is pi r l. Okay, now the time to see the volume also. So suppose it is ice cream cone and we need to calculate volume means, so we need to calculate how much ice cream will have this in this cone. So next, volume. Okay, so if we consider this cylinder shape like this, okay, so this cone is the 1/3 part of this cylinder, so we can took the 1/3 of this cylinder volume. That means 1/3 pi r square h, and here we got total surface area, curve surface area, and volume of cone. Here sphere. Okay, sphere means one ball like a football. Okay, football shape is our sphere. Okay, so let's discuss about this shape. Okay, this is one, this is my sphere. Okay, so now we need to calculate the total surface area of this sphere, curve surface area of this figure sphere. Okay, and also volume of this. Okay, so let's discuss about the sphere. So if we consider in my hand there is a football. Okay, and you will see from in this front side you will see one circle. Okay, whenever we see this football from this side we will see one circle. Okay, from this side one circle, and from behind, that means my side, is one circle. Okay, there that means there are 4 circles we can see in the sphere. Is it clear? That means the area of circle sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, 4 pi r square is the area of sphere or surface area of sphere. Okay, so here it is no curve, so we can take the common total or curve in the same thing. Okay, that means we will write the surface area of sphere and we will get 4 pi r square. And the only thing is we need to calculate the volume of sphere, like, okay, so if you discuss here the volume like small 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 and increasing, and again it's small. Okay, that means there are three axis in this diagram, so we can take 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, pi r cube. Okay, and this is the volume of this sphere. Okay, what it is? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, now we will discuss about the hemisphere. And hemisphere means what? Okay, I'll just rub this and let me show you. Hemisphere means the half of the sphere, that is hemisphere. Number 6 diagram, hemisphere. Hemisphere. Okay, so let consider, I'll just cut this ball so it will seem like this. Okay, it will seem like this. This is my again radius r. Okay, now we will see the this part is my curved surface area. This is one circle from top. Okay, now we need to calculate the total surface area of this hemisphere, curved surface area of this hemisphere, and also volume of its hemisphere. Okay, and for this total surface area we need to consider this circle, and we know that the circle area is pi r square, plus we need to consider this curved surface and it is exactly the half of the sphere, so we can took 4 pi rather than 4 pi r square, only there is a 2 pi r square. Okay, so this pi r square and this 2, that means total 3 pi r square is the surface area of hemisphere. Okay, and we know that the curved surface is here 2 pi r square, so we also define the 2 pi r square is the curved surface. And what about the volume? So we know that this is the hemisphere, it is exactly half of the sphere, that means half of the quantity will here as compared to sphere. Okay, so the volume of this hemisphere is also half of this sphere, that means 4 upon 3, that is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, and this is the volume of hemisphere. Okay, I hope you clear the cylinder, total surface area, curved surface area, as well as volume, cone also, and sphere and hemisphere. And here we finish our surface area and volume, all the concepts with formulas.